Have you ever noticed that some relationships just seem to work while others leave you constantly confused and drained? The secret to understanding these dynamics lies in recognizing the two fundamental types of relationships. People who prefer this type of relationship prioritize loyalty, dependability, and clear communication. They value knowing what to expect and having a steady, predictable connection. Think of it like a well-paved road. It might not be the most exciting, but it's reliable and gets the job done. And you probably already know what they are, but let's make it official. He loves spending quality time with him, whether it's a cozy night in or a weekend getaway. For Alex, being in a committed relationship means prioritizing their connection and nurturing it every chance he gets. And if you want to dive deeper into this topic, check out our other videos on 6 signs your partner is emotionally unintelligent. Are you the reason your relationships keep failing? And why high-conflict relationships are ruining your life? Until next time. Ben, on the other hand, feels the relationship lacks excitement. He longs for spontaneity and variety in his romance. He wishes Alex would be more open to trying new things and keeping him on his toes. To Ben, a healthy relationship is all about balance, giving and receiving, stability and excitement. The first one is the quantity-quality relationship. This relationship thrives on consistency and reliability. Your answer provides valuable insight into how you connect with others and what you value in your relationships. Remember, there's no right or wrong type. It's all about understanding your tendencies and those of the people in your life, so you can navigate them more effectively. The second one is the quality-variety relationship. This type thrives on spontaneity and excitement. First, let's look at friendships. Imagine 2 friends, Sarah and Tom. Sarah loves catching up with Tom regularly, whether it's for a weekly coffee or a monthly girls' night out. She values their friendship because she knows she can rely on him to be there for her consistently. Tom, on the other hand, feels the friendship is more of a roller coaster ride. While he enjoys the fun times with Sarah, he craves more spontaneity and excitement in their relationship. He wishes Sarah would be more open to trying new things and taking risks together. What's missing for Tom is the element of surprise, the thrill of the unknown. Sarah, on the other hand, finds comfort in their established routine. For her, the value of their friendship lies in its stability and predictability. To Sarah, change can sometimes feel unsettling, and she prefers to stick to what works. Those who prefer this type of relationship seek variety, passion, and a deep emotional connection. But do not worry if you not sure or if you feel like you a mix of both. As we delve deeper into each type, you'll gain a clearer understanding of where you stand. And remember, it's not about being one or the other. It's about recognizing the tendencies that shape your relationships so you can navigate them more effectively. They love the thrill of new experiences and are always looking for the next big adventure. Think of it like a roller coaster ride. It might not be the smoothest, but it sure is thrilling. So which one are you? If you found yourself nodding along to most of these characteristics, chances are that's your primary relationship style. Let us explore some real-life examples of how these 2 types of relationships manifest themselves in friendships and romantic partnerships. Now let's look at romantic relationships. Imagine a couple, Alex and Ben. Alex is head over heels for Ben. So which one are you in your relationships? Are you the quantity-quality person seeking consistency and reliability, or the quality-variety person craving spontaneity and excitement? If you found this helpful, share it with your friends so they can also determine which type of relationship they're in.